Welcome to FreePayroll. Your payroll experience just got smarter, faster, and a lot more intuitive. To begin, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on People. You'll land on the People page, where you will see the full list of employees in your company. From here, click on Add Employees. The system will display two methods for adding new employees. Choose the option Add Multiple Employees at the same time. You will now be redirected to the bulk Add Employees page. If you are unsure about any of the required fields, simply click on Guide CSV to access supporting information from our knowledge base. Next, select Click here to download the CSV template to download the FreePayroll import template. Fill in the template with your employees' details. Once completed, return to the page and select Import Employees from CSV. Choose your file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import. When the process is finished, you can confirm that the employees were successfully added by searching for their names using Search People. Thank you for using FreePayroll, where powerful payroll meets an effortless experience.